Hey, how's it going, guys? So today I have my voltmeter here, and so last time I opened up this guy, unfortunately there was some corrosion because I I left the batteries on there too long and just forgot about this guy. It was in the back of my truck, and ooh, ugh. See how bad that looks, man. All right, but which should work, but gonna have to clean this guy up a little bit. It's all rusty, as you can see. But gonna go ahead and try to clean it up a little bit. Um, Now, what I'm probably gonna end up doing is I'm probably gonna end up brushing it off with one of these. With one of these, and you're not gonna see it because unfortunately I can't move my laptop and my camera's over there. But this is all I'm gonna do. Brush it off. All right, I'll be back. All right, so after a little bit of cleaning, you can see it did clean it up somewhat, but it's obviously missing a little bit. So it's not gonna be perfect. I mean, it had been rusting and battery acid for a bit, but I'm gonna try this battery cleaner that I have. See if it helps us out. I'm gonna let it soak a little, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up with probably a Q-tip or something. So, gonna try to spray this. Make sure I don't mess anything up. There we go. Alright, and we're gonna let it soak for a bit. Let me go get the Q-tip really quick. Alright, and we're letting that soak up nice and good. Gonna start cleaning, clean the Q-tip. And like I said, I mean, I'm not tearing this guy apart, which I probably should, right? That would be the proper repair, but sometimes you can just get things working without having to do too much. And I feel uh, this is one of those cases where it's not gonna be perfect. It's not a restoration video, but it'll get us through. It'll get the device working again, and it'll be alright. But honestly, upon inspection, I should probably just go ahead and take it apart. Should probably get a terminals while I'm at it, because these look nasty, man. But that might just be another video. And yeah, that probably will be another video. Let's see, can we get this in there? No, we can't. Alright, it's time for the air. Got some batteries. probably working. Mhm. Yeah, it's working. And as you can see, that's why I forget about it, because I think I've only used this guy for continuity. Um, Other than that, and voltage here and there, but that's why, not really concerned in restoring it all the way. Uh, I probably should, but given how bad those terminals are, I'll probably just end up replacing them at some point, or just replacing the whole thing. I mean, these are pretty cheap, but just wanted to make sure I replace the batteries and clean it somewhat, because sometimes, when I'm doing a car project or something, might come in handy. And last time I tried to use it, I didn't have batteries, and when I opened it up, I was like, oh shit. All right, guys. So that was that. You guys have a good one.